Imagine translating your WhatsApp messages instantly into over 100 languages right inside your chat window. Using Lang Translator. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install Chrome extension. Head to Google. Type in Lang Translator. And click on this website. Now on the top, click on Translators and 3 types. Choose Translator for WhatsApp. A page will open, and here, click Download Chrome extension. You'll be redirected to Chrome Store page and click on Add to Chrome. Choose Add Extension and pin the extension for quick purpose. And now, click on the Translator extension and wait for the WhatsApp web to reload. Chapter 2, One-Click Translation. Go to WhatsApp Translator extension and here there is Auto Detect and Languages. Languages available. You can choose any for Auto Detect like French, Georgina, Latin, etc. Now I am choosing English. Let's open this chat and you want this specific sentence to be translated. Click on the small Lang Translate blue icon next to the chat and it automatically translates your chats into English, as you can see. Chapter 3, Reply in Same Language. You want to know which language is the message in, then copy the sentence and click on the Lang Translator button next to message bar and paste your message here and click on Detect. The language is automatically detected as French, and you want to reply in their language, then keep the language French here, type your message in English, and click on the Lang Translator blue button here, and it automatically translates to French. Isn't it quick and easy? Try it today and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.